Good morning students. In this video we will discuss about some other types of operating systems that are used in different areas that are used for different purpose like real-time operating system, distributed operating system, embedded operating system. Children, real-time operating systems works in a real time. As soon as user enter the data should be processed and रिस्पॉन्स शुड बी गो बैक टू द यूज़र. जैसे ही यूज़र ने डेटा को एंटर किया इमीडिएटली डेटा को प्रोसेस करना होता है पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड में एंड इमीडिएटली यूज़र को रिस्पॉन्स करना होता है. सो सिस्टम दैट आर वर्किंग इन सच एनवायरनमेंट टू मैनेज द वर्किंग ऑफ दैट टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम रियल टाइम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स आर used. And this type of operating systems are used in robotic industries, scientific research area, banking sector, railway and flight booking. Children, suppose we have opened the railway department's website to book a ticket for particular train. Now as we have clicked to book a ticket in the train, computer system has to respond immediately whether a ticket is booked or cancelled, because may be possible that for the same train at the same time or for the same seat number another person has also opened the computer system in online environment from some other place and giving the command for booking. So it should be immediately updated and respond, otherwise may be possible that some errors can be generated in booking of tickets. So in such type of environment real time operating systems are used. Distributed operating system. Children, in this you can see the picture, there are different computer systems are there and they are connected with each other through the communication network and they perform the task individually also and they can work together also. And the operating system manage all these computer systems and it shows that we are using a single computer system. We are working in a single computer environment to manage the working of all these computers together. Distributed operating system is used. Children, distributed operating system is different from the multi-processor operating system. Children, multi-processor system make one computer powerful computer and in some cases powerful computer is required, and in distributed operating system different computers are working together to do a particular task. Now we will understand the advantages of some advantages of distributed operating system. Failure of one system cannot stop the execution of processes. Children, because in distributed operating system we can just give the one task in different parts to the different operating computer system. So if suppose one computer system is failed, that task can be done by the another computer system and resource can be shared between the computer system. May be possible hard disk storage, some like devices like printer can be shared, any other resource can be shared between the computer systems. The load on the host computer gets distributed and increase the efficiency, because there are more than one computers are working and doing the processing work. That is the reason it increase the working of computer system and also reduce the delay in data processing, because data is processed by the independent computers in distributed operating system environment. Disadvantages are also there with distributed operating system, like security of a data, because data is transferred between the more than one computers that are located at different places. Children, so may be possible that there is a chance of hacking of data can be lost and any unauthentic person can just access the data. Another problem is that if network is failed, then whole communication will be broken, and now then in that case computers are not working in a distributed operating system environment. Last is embedded operating system. Children, embedded operating system works with other machines, not actually the computer, like the operating system that are using in washing, latest types of washing machines, in ATMs, in microwaves, in four wheelers, and digital TVs are example of embedded operating system. Such type of operating systems are used in these devices for specific work or purpose. Thank you.